I chose a stick vacuum because I wanted the flexibility to quickly clean small area without dragging out the big guy, my traditional vacuum. It can be stashed near a utility or work closet for easy access. It is lightweight to clean everywhere from the ceiling to the skirting board. Meanwhile, I don't have to worry about to stretch myself up looking for the nearest plug socket. Since there is no cord to hold me down, I can use my cordless vacuum to clean anywhere or spaces that are out of reach. You can see I can reach up to the ceiling to suck up those spider webs in the corner.